Mama doesn't sleep.
Awa ke nnete, ha ke robale.
She is having bad dreams.
Awa tsona ke na le tsona.
She dreams even people are late, family members.
Family.
Sometimes she thinks that maybe I'm thinking too much. But she's
Wona
not
ke
thinking
nnete.
too much. There is a spirit of a bird that I'm seeing following Mama all the time. This spirit of bird, I see this spirit of bird troubling Mama all the time, no matter she's awake, but too much when she's sleeping. That's the thing that creates all these bad dreams that she's seeing. This is not a new thing. It's a spirit from where she's coming from, home, that has been troubling Mama, following Mama. My fear now, it has created a sickness. That sickness. So she'll be feeling this today. Tomorrow she'll feel that. Then she'll end up asking herself, what is wrong with me? God is saying, I must pray for her. If we don't pray for her, this 2025, she may end this year sleeping down, waking up, sleeping down, waking up, sleeping down, waking up. Then doctors, they will mention this. They will mention that. But doctors will be lying. It will lead Mama to end up taking a wrong medication or wrong treatment that will end up destroying her body. So I'll put Mama in prayers. And I will instruct Mama what to do in the house where she sleeps. So that spirit is chased away for Mama to be free. But God is saying again to Mama, I must pray for their family. This family is not united. People are minding their own business. That one is there, that one is there. But they cannot unite now. They were divided long time ago. It's not a new thing. So now this thing will affect their kids that they brought under the sun. Then you know kids when they grow they will end up saying maybe there is witchcraft, there is someone who's wrong, someone who's doing this in the family. But God is saying, I must pray for this family so that God may intervene and do family deliverance. There is a man that he died. I don't want to talk too much. There is a man that he died in the family. But to Mama, he was like a brother. But he died long time ago. But death wasn't good. He was sick. A lot of things was said. But I want to see Mama about that. I'm not going to say it here. The importance is what I say. God bless you. Thank you.